This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling cheats and getting operator privileges. Without that, commands won't run. Place a repeating command block and set it to always active so it keeps reapplying effects. Then enter the effect command, /effect at p night vision 1,000,000 true. This gives you night vision for a very long time and hides particles. Once done, test by going into a dark cave. You should see immediate bright vision. If you want everyone, change at p to at a. Now make this permanent. Use a repeating command block in the spawn chunk or add a ticking area so the command runs even when players are far away. You can replace at p with at a or use /execute to target specific teams or scoreboard tags. To avoid constant reapply spikes, use a long duration then refresh every few minutes. Set the command to run once per second. Also, create a toggle using a scoreboard value so you can enable or disable unlimited night vision on demand. Finish by double-checking everything. The command block must be repeat and always active, or the effect will stop. Make sure your syntax matches Bedrock's format and that you used seconds, not ticks. If it stops unexpectedly, verify you are still an operator, the command block has power, and the world allows cheats. One key troubleshooting tip: if effects disappear when you leave the area, add a ticking area around the command block or move it into spawn chunks so the server keeps executing it continuously.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.